This video from Casio Help, we're taking a look at the SE-C450 register and barcode scanner use. So this video presumes you've seen my previous videos on setting up the scanner to work with the register and then also on programming your barcodes. This video is just to demonstrate how the functionality works once you've got it set up. It's dead easy. Key in the reg mode and then simply scan the barcode. The item name and description and price appears on screen. You repeat the process for each line in the sale. If someone's ordered multiples of the item, 5 times for example, then it'll work. You can scan the barcode multiple times. You can run through normal sales alongside the scanner. So if you've got preset buttons set up or you've got a barcode item that you haven't programmed yet, you can run that through the till manually. You've also got your PLU functionality, so if you've got PLUs set up on the machine you can sell them alongside. And then just like a normal transaction, subtotal once you've entered all the items, and then how you cash it off really depends on how the customer's paying. So if it's cash, you would type in the amount of money handed over, so 8000 cash. The reason why you would do that is that the display would then show the change. But if it's a credit card payment, you can use this button here, which is the only other tender button on the machine, and you would obviously not type in the amount of money because the card would be the exact amount. Depending on what you've got set up with your printer, if you've got it in receipt mode, you can have the receipt switched off, and then you can print a duplicate receipt if required, or if you want a receipt printout of every transaction, you double tap the receipt on off button in the reg mode and it will toggle between receipt issue and no receipt. Okay, I hope that video's been useful. If you haven't set up stuff, then I've got loads of videos on how to program everything, so they're probably appearing on screen now and are worth checking out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.